Every Diamond iPhone begins with premium aerospace-grade titanium alloy. The metal arrives inspected and certified before precision manufacturing starts. Computer-guided lasers cut each titanium frame with micron-level precision. Every cut follows an exact smartphone blueprint. The titanium frame is CNC milled for perfect dimensions. Every surface is shaped to luxury-grade tolerances. Diamond-coated polishing tools refine the titanium surfaces. Sharp machining marks disappear during this stage. Diamond-coated polishing tools refine the titanium surfaces. Sharp machining marks disappear during this stage. Ultrasonic cleaning removes every trace of polishing residue. A perfectly clean surface is essential for luxury finishing. A layer of genuine 24-karat gold is electroplated onto the frame. The coating delivers both luxury and durability.
Each gold-plated frame undergoes rigorous visual inspection. Only flawless finishes continue forward.
Tiny mounting seats are drilled for individual diamonds. Precision placement ensures perfect alignment. Only careful selected diamonds are chosen for the luxury device. Each stone is graded before installation. Master craftsmen begin hand-setting the diamonds. Each stone is individually positioned.
Master craftsmen begin hand-setting the diamonds. Each stone is individually positioned. Micro-prongs secure every diamond permanently. The setting process requires exceptional precision. Final gemstone polishing maximizes brilliance and sparkle. Every diamond is inspected during finishing. The premium OLED display is precisely installed. The Diamond iPhone begins taking its final shape. The high-capacity battery is carefully positioned inside the chassis. Automated systems ensure precise placement and secure mounting. The advanced camera system is installed with micron-level precision. Each lens module must align perfectly with the housing. The advanced camera system is installed with micron-level precision. Each lens module must align perfectly with the housing. Premium stereo speakers are added to enhance audio performance. Each component is positioned with automated precision.
Automated audio testing confirms speaker performance. Every device must meet strict acoustic standards.
Communication antennas are integrated into the frame. This ensures strong wireless performance without compromising design. Wireless communication systems undergo comprehensive testing. Signal quality is verified across multiple frequencies. Biometric security components are installed next. These sensors enable advanced facial recognition. Facial recognition hardware is calibrated for accuracy. Each sensor is tested under controlled conditions. A precision sealing compound is applied around the housing. This step enhances durability and environmental protection. The rear housing is precisely joined to the main chassis. Perfect alignment is essential for premium fit and finish. Controlled curing strengthens structural bonds throughout the device. Temperature and timing are carefully regulated. Experts inspect every visible detail of the luxury exterior. Diamond alignment and finish quality are carefully verified. Comprehensive diagnostics verify every hardware function. Only fully operational devices continue forward. The completed Diamond iPhone receives its final luxury finish. Every diamond and gold surface is polished to perfection.
Every surface is cleaned to jewelry-grade standards. Even microscopic particles are removed before certification.
Experts verify every diamond's placement and quality. Each luxury device must meet strict gemstone standards. Each Diamond iPhone receives an individual certification record. Unique serial numbers ensure authenticity and traceability. A permanent identification code is laser engraved. This security feature confirms authenticity. Premium accessories are prepared alongside the finished device. Every included component undergoes inspection. The presentation case is designed to match the exclusivity of the device. Premium materials enhance the unboxing experience. The finished Diamond iPhone is placed into its luxury presentation case. Protective handling prevents any surface damage. Certificates and premium accessories complete the package. Every component is arranged for a luxury presentation.
Packaging contents are checked against production records. Quality inspectors ensure complete accuracy. Security seals protect the package during shipping. Holographic labels verify authenticity.
Packaging durability is tested under simulated transport conditions. The goal is maximum protection during delivery. Environmental testing verifies packaging performance. The luxury device must remain protected in varying conditions. Final approval combines inspection data and test results. Only fully certified units receive shipment authorization. Each device is entered into secure inventory systems. Complete traceability is maintained throughout distribution. The Diamond iPhone is secured for global delivery. After months of precision craftsmanship, the luxury device is ready to reach its owner. The certified Diamond iPhone enters the secure logistics network. Every movement is digitally tracked in real time. Multiple security checks verify shipment authenticity. Luxury products require enhanced protection measures. The package is prepared for long-distance transportation. Protective handling minimizes risk during transit. Armored logistics vehicles are used for premium shipments. Security remains a priority throughout transportation. The luxury device is placed inside a protected transport environment. Climate control helps preserve premium packaging conditions.
The completed Diamond iPhone begins its global journey. Real-time tracking follows every stage of transportation. The shipment arrives at a specialized distribution facility. Additional verification ensures complete chain of custody control.
Distribution personnel verify shipment information. Every detail is checked before international dispatch.
Additional protection is added for long-distance delivery. The package is prepared for international transportation.
Global distribution networks connect luxury products with customers worldwide. Every shipment follows carefully monitored routes. The Diamond iPhone travels across continents toward its destination. Secure logistics maintain protection throughout the journey.
The luxury shipment reaches its destination region. Final delivery preparations now begin.
A specialized courier assumes responsibility for final delivery. Strict verification maintains security until handover.
The final stage of the journey brings the Diamond iPhone to its owner. Security and care continue until delivery is complete.
After an extraordinary manufacturing journey, the Diamond iPhone reaches its owner. Precision engineering.
Every Diamond iPhone represents thousands of precision manufacturing steps. Luxury craftsmanship meets advanced smartphone technology.
Each diamond is individually selected and hand-set. Perfect alignment creates exceptional brilliance. Premium titanium and precious metal finishing define the exterior. Every surface is polished to luxury standards. Beneath the luxury exterior lies advanced smartphone technology. Every component is engineered for flagship performance. Advanced imaging systems complement the luxury design. Precision optics deliver professional-grade photography. The OLED display provides exceptional visual performance. Luxury design and advanced technology work together seamlessly. Expert craftsmen dedicate countless hours to every device. Attention to detail defines the manufacturing process. State-of-the-art manufacturing facilities support every stage. Automation and craftsmanship operate side by side. Raw materials are transformed through dozens of specialized processes. Every stage contributes to the final masterpiece. The result is a device that combines innovation and exclusivity, a symbol of luxury engineering. Luxury is defined by details often invisible at first glance. Precision can be found in every millimeter. Crafted from premium materials. Finished to extraordinary standards. From raw titanium to a luxury masterpiece. The journey reflects precision at every stage. A remarkable combination of technology and craftsmanship. Designed for those who demand the exceptional. From raw materials to extraordinary luxury, this is how a Diamond iPhone is made.